Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for day 2 of the 25 days of beauty, we're going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. Really simple, really quick. So right there, I'm just brushing my eyebrows, and then I'm going to start with my eyebrow powder. I got this from BH Cosmetics, and it works wonders, guys. So I am just outlining my eyebrow of how I want it to look. When I do eyebrows, I want my eyebrows to look really natural, so not the really cakey, fake eyebrow look. Nothing's wrong with that, but that's just not my style. So I am just starting with lining my eyebrows, and then I'm going and filling them. So when filling eyebrows, guys, it's nothing more to it. You just, depending on what you use, they have your pencil, you have the marker. I'm using powder, eyebrow powder. I got it from BH Cosmetics. That's a whole palette. And I use one color, which is the dark brown. So here I'm using my brush again to just smooth that eyeshadow, the eyebrow powder out, because it can get cakey. Also, I wanted a more natural looking eyebrow, so that's why I didn't want to put too much on it. But don't worry, because the concealer will fix all of this, guys. So I'm going back in with my my brush just to fix it up. And that is what your brush is for. That is why it takes a while to do it, because you're constantly going over it, fixing everything. So now I'm going in with my concealer, guys. I use the Pro LA Girl Concealer, the color Cool Tan. You treat it as drawing when you do your eyebrows. It's a thick concealer, so it cleans up everything. It's cleaning up your mess. Kind of like when you draw when you draw outside of the lines. It's always like that when you're doing your eyebrows. So concealer is to fix it. So I'm going in with a small flat brush to just smooth this out. And I had to cut a lot of the video, guys, because it was like a longer video than this, because realistically you're going back and forth, and I'm going to use a sponge after this to just to cover my eye, because you can bring it as far as down if you want. That's why people do their eyebrows first, because they end up doing eyeshadow. You use the same thing for your eyeshadow. And you guys, when you look at other videos, they tell you the basics. So they show you like a 1-minute video, but be realistic. Everybody is going back and forth, and it take a while. So now I'm getting ready to do the top part, which I normally don't do, but I really wanted to do it just to clean it up and to give it a more clean look. I'm going to go on top, and you have to be careful, because concealer can mess up everything, y'all. If you go it can cut it's like you'll be starting over if you mess up. That's what I'm saying. Or you just cover it, but it take a while. So it's really simple, but at the same time it's easy to mess up. That's why you take your time on it. And y'all, I don't even do my brows like that, but I really wanted to do them today, and because I was going somewhere later. So I was like, let me go do a video perfect for number 2, for day 2 of the beauty, guys. And ignore the foundation and concealer I have on my nail, y'all, because that's embarrassing. So I'm just going with the sponge around my eye, because I'm blending it all in. And yeah, I didn't think it doesn't take much to do all this. You just clean it up. Now the eyebrow is basically done. This is where you just going over it again and again, because that's what I did. And I'm just using that same brush because I had a lot of more product to get off. I didn't do my eyeshadow immediately after this, so that's why it takes more time to clean it. If you're doing your eyeshadow right after, you have no problem, because you could just bring that down to your eyeshadow. And this is the end of the video, guys. I finished it, and it was really simple. I love how it came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.